Okay, I think we can start. So again, thank you for joining us today. Welcome to our session. We are glad to have you all with us on proposed changes to ICH Q1 guidelines on stability testing part 2. A few organizational notes before we begin. Today's session will be recorded, so if you miss anything or would you like to revisit it, you will be able to watch the full recording on our website in the webinar section. Please feel free to submit any question in the chat at any time. We will address them at the end of the session. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, we covered the regulatory background, and you can find, of course, the part 1 full recorded, as I mentioned, on our website under the webinar section. We highly recommend that watching it, as it provides great context for everything we discussed today. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Magdalena Sałagaj, Business Development Manager at Statsoft. I work with international clients across pharmaceutical, cosmetic supplement sectors. I help streamline them analytical workflows and build a more efficient compliance process. Today, I have pleasure of hosting this session together with Dr. Marek Skowronek, our Quality and Pharmaceutical Solution Manager. Good afternoon. Hi, Marek. A few words about Marek. Marek's bring years of experience of hands-on in pharma industry, working with direct with the clients on validation, quality system, and compliant analytical solution. So he's the right person to guide you through today's topic. Let me briefly show you how today's session will flow. I will start from a short introduction of our company, who we are, how we support pharmaceutical companies, and what we can offer you. We will then move on the main topic of today's webinar, the proposed changes of ICH Q1 guidelines related to stability studies. After that, we will give a live demonstration of our product stability software. And finally, we will open the floor for discussion in the Q&A session. One more time, please feel free to drop your question at any time in the chat. We will address your question at the end. So let's say a few words about our company, Statsoft, and how we support organizations in practice. Last year, we celebrate our 30th anniversary, and over 3 decades, our focus has remained consistent, helping organizations extract meaningful, actionable insight from the data. Behind everything we do, there is a dedicated teams of experts who brings both technical depth and practical experience to every client engagement. As a part of around IT group, Statsoft delivers advanced analytical solution across the region. What makes us different, actually, we don't just deliver software, we work at the integration of statistics, data science, machine learning, AI, and real operational process. Our mission is simple. We help organizations turn data into value. And what we do at Statsoft, we support pharmaceutical companies through 4 main areas: systems, software, and consulting service and training. We work across the full spectrum of data analytics, from statistical analysis and reporting to process optimization and regulatory compliance. Whether it's validations, regulatory reporting, or advanced analytics, our goal is to reduce risk and increase transparency. What guide our approach is always the same principle, the right tool for the right situation. So we are simple solution is enough for your organization like Excel. We will say so. Where advanced analytics are genuinely needed for your organization, we will recommend that. So our role is to advise your organization the right solution. And give you a sense of who we work with. We have extensive experience across multiple industry, but pharma has been our priority sector for many years. It's where we have the deepest expertise, the most dedicated solutions, and the broadest client base, ranging from global pharmaceutical leaders to smaller locally operating companies. So our one advantage of working across industry in that challenges which may appear new in pharma are often ones we have already solved elsewhere, and that give us broader perspective and faster answer. So as you can see, we work with over 2,500 clients in total. What tells you is simple. Our solution have been tested, validated across a wide range of industry, company size, and even regulatory environment. So how we support pharma? Our portfolio structure in around three pillars. First is the system that are fully configuratable to meet your organization's specific needs. Then second, dedicated statistical application, very easy to use, that accelerate analytical work across laboratory and quality teams. And least but not least, third, consulting and training that support both implementation and methodology, ensuring your team gets the most out of every solution. And this combination allows us to support your company holistically. What else? Sorry. Of course, let me start with our well-known and most chosen level of solution, I would say, our dedicated GXP software modules. Each module is proposed built for specific workflow. So your team gets exactly what they need without unnecessary complexity. We have available the desktop version with selected modules such as DPC for dissolution profile comparison, and that also offer as a cloud-based solution. All modules can be connected to share central databases, enabling data consistency, traceability, and unify the view across your organization. The most I would like to focus on product stability modules that we will be demonstrate later on. Product stability module is designed precisely for this area. It simplifies the collection of stability study data and enables fast, compliant report generation aligned with regulatory requirements. So in the second part of today's session, Dr. Marek will walk you through a live demonstration of stats of PS. I would like to also capture the core benefits of our clients' experience in practice using our application, from faster reporting and audit-ready documentation to data-driven decision, consistent outputs, and ultimately more time for work than truly matters. So I would recommend to check our application for product stability, product monitoring, and also we have something more for organizations that need more than standalone modules. We offer StatSoft system, product stability monitoring system. This is a full enterprise level platform built around one principle. Data itself has no value. Value appears when data is structured, accessible, and traceable. So at that exactly what this PSMS delivers. Let me show you the next slide. So what's more, service. We don't just delivery tools. We train teams, validate system, support implementation, and provide expert consulting. We believe that in regulated industry, methodology is just as important as technology. And as you can see, StatSoft offers a wide range of solutions for pharmaceutical process. But today we are focusing on StatSoft product stability. If you would like to explore any of our other solution, I would like to recommend contact with us, whether through a direct conversation with our team or in person at CPHI, to which you are very warmly invited. But most importantly, we are here today because of the proposed ICH Q1 changes, and that is exactly where I would like to focus our time. So without further delay, let me hand over to Dr. Marek Skowronek. Marek, the floor is yours. Thank you so much.